There are two types of people in this world. Type A, the person who looks at a messy room and wants to curl up in a ball and cry. And Type B, the person who, when life falls apart, decides that right now is the perfect time to reorganize the entire pantry at 2 a.m. If you are the second one, welcome. You aren't crazy. You are just chemically seeking safety. Today, we are breaking down why tidying up is actually the cheapest form of therapy you can buy. Here's the secret. Loving to organize isn't really about being neat. It's about control. When the outside world feels chaotic, your boss is yelling, the economy is weird, and your dating life is a dumpster fire, your brain hunts for something predictable. You can't fix the world, but you can alphabetize your spice rack, and suddenly, you feel better. It's not random. It is your brain trying to stabilize the ship. The science backs this up. Every time you finish a small task, making the bed, wiping the counter, folding the laundry, your brain releases dopamine. That is the good job chemical. It's the same hit you get from eating chocolate or getting a like on Instagram. Plus, a tidy room lowers cortisol, your stress hormone. That lighter feeling you get after a deep clean, that isn't just in your head. That is your biology, physically relaxing. But there is something deeper happening here. Your subconscious treats your environment like a safety signal. Clutter? Clutter is loud. A pile of mail whispers unpaid bills. A pile of laundry whispers laziness. For people who are highly sensitive, that whisper is basically a scream. So they don't organize to impress guests. They do it to turn the volume down inside their own head. For others, organizing is self-expression. Your home is a canvas. The way the books are stacked, the way the plants are facing the sun, it's art. And the rhythm of cleaning, sweeping, sorting, scrubbing, it becomes a form of moving meditation. It grounds you without forcing you to sit still and om. And here is the emotional part that hits hard. Organizing is often about letting go. Every item you throw away, the old jeans that don't fit, the broken gadget, the gift from an ex you don't talk to anymore, is a tiny version of saying, I don't need this version of me anymore. That's why decluttering can feel weirdly heavy. You aren't just throwing out trash. You're rewriting your inner story. Your surroundings reflect your mind. A tidy space whispers, you got this. A messy space whispers, you are drowning. Cleaning is just a way to shift that conversation. You change the outside to fix the inside. Because organizing isn't really about the objects, it's about choosing. This matters. This stays. This goes. Every clear shelf is a reflection of how you want to feel. Clear, calm, intentional. So the next time you catch yourself aggressively scrubbing the bathtub after a bad day, don't downplay it. That's self-care happening in real time. Body, mind, and soul lining up. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you create. One folded shirt at a time. Are you a stress cleaner or are you the I'll do it tomorrow type? Drop a comment and expose yourself. And don't forget to hit subscribe. We break down the psychology of your everyday habits. See you in the next one.